Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa delivered a speech at the COP-29 climate change conference that left delegates bewildered. The conference, strictly focused on addressing urgent global climate issues, took an unexpected detour when Mnangagwa pivoted his remarks towards themes of war and peace, seemingly addressing political conflicts rather than climate change. Sanabda mashoko anobuda nyogwa panapo komna buda nyara chiti mtukamiro nyika yeZimbabwe anoduza focus ari ku climate conference apa anodeliver aiwa speech yakanga iri misguided. Sanabda mashoko buda nyogwa panapo do subscribe or like turn the bell icon. Timda Zimbabwe nyara chiti the speech began on topic with President Mnangagwa acknowledging the gravity of the climate crisis and Zimbabwe's vulnerability to its devastating impacts. He discussed the country's experiences with the drought and the challenges faced in transitioning to renewable energy, presenting Zimbabwe's efforts to develop a carbon market framework and contribute to global climate initiatives. However, as the speech progressed, Mnangagwa veered off course unexpectedly, calling for a just, peaceful and inclusive order and urging action to build a legacy of hope and shared prosperity. These remarks, while laudable in isolation, were oddly misplaced in a forum dedicated to environmental policies and technological solutions to climate change. Delegates were left puzzled as Mnangagwa appeared to conflate climate action with global political stability, delivering statements more suitable to a peace summit than a climate conference. His calls for inclusivity and peace seemed to address geopolitical tensions rather than the pressing environmental issues at hand. Observers speculate that President's speech may have been an attempt to subtly address domestic and regional political tensions attributed to him back in Southern Africa, where he was recently caught on camera gossiping to Russian President, baseless suggestions of war against him. Ndo mashoko anobuda chitogwana wakomana vemuZimbabwe vachita aiwa kunyanya kuva misguided kwakaita kwakaita kuti mamwe maleaders ashaye kuti zviri kumbonyatso kufamba sei paanoonekwa akuexposawo dzimwe nyaya dzaanoonekwa achigosipa the Russian president. Tudze mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell.